My name's Steve Penney. I'm from the UK, came to New Zealand in 2010 with my family. My wife's originally from Wellington, so we were coming home from her. So I've been here since 2010. I'm a building services engineer by training. Been doing that since 1984, which is a long time ago. So 38 years now, and back in 2018 I'd just been made redundant by my previous employer here in New Zealand, and I decided to set up my own business, which is called Honoris, and we've been going since 2018, so we're 4 years old now. There's 4 of us in the team at the moment, Key, who's here at the moment, and then we've got Rob, who's on leave, who's in a gliding competition right now, and Mohammed, who's unfortunately off sick today with a migraine, so otherwise there would be 4 of us in the office. I'm the founder and the owner of the business, so it's all on me really, I guess, to keep things going, go out and win the work and build the relationships with the clients and help these guys deliver when they need support, and give them some guidance when needed, and put them through training when they need it, and the rest of it just running the business. Yeah. One of the things I set out to do is I think the building services in particular has quite a poor reputation in New Zealand. We don't do a very good job as an industry on what we do, and I'm trying in my own small way to try and improve that, to make sure we deliver better outcomes for our clients on every project. So it's really focusing on the quality of what we do. I've been doing this work for 38 years now. When I first started, everything was on a manual drawing board, and we're now using 3-dimensional modelling technology to do the same work. So I've seen massive improvements in what we do. From it's a time thing. It's quicker to, not necessarily quicker to produce the drawing in the first place, but any changes you need to make now are so much easier to do in a digital environment than they would have been when you're working on a manual drawing board. I use a lot of different digital platforms in my business. So I've got the standard stuff, Outlook and Excel and Word and all of those things. I've got LinkedIn that I use for my business social media, I guess would be the way to describe it. I've got my own website. All of those things are good. Yeah, I've used Xero for our accounting software, so that delivers all of our invoices. We've got an add-on to that called Workflow Max, which is a project management type tool. So we use that for timekeeping and setting up projects and all the rest of it, so we can track a spend on different individual projects. Yeah, I've got an Excel spreadsheet. Excel is very flexible for that sort of thing. So for resource management, we use a spreadsheet that tracks everybody's hours spent on different tasks and allows me to manage the level of work. I'm trying to grow the business. I want us to be probably twice the size we are by the end of next year, if I can. That obviously requires us securing more work, so my focus at the moment is trying to win some more projects for us so that we can grow the team. That's really what I want to do. I think we're a little bit too small at the moment. 4 people is not small, not minuscule, but it means that we've not got a huge amount of capacity. I think if we had a few more people, more capacity, we could deliver more work. It would be better for the business. So that's really my focus at the moment.